Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the quick add feature in your Snapchat. So I'm in my Snapchat camera. For that you need to go to your profile. So tap on this profile image. Okay, now in your profile page at the top right corner of the screen you will see this setting button or this gear icon, and you will see your settings page. Now here scroll up until you see who can section, and here in who can section you will see me in quick add. Tap there. Now it's enable, toggle it and make it disable, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can turn off the quick add feature in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.